Aso, pusa, bibe, sombrero, kambing, gambing, goat, kambing, baboy. What is your name? How old are you? One. Beautiful eyes, Sachi. I know. Ay, mata. Mata. Ano English ng mata, nak? Ano English ng mata? Ano English ng mata? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Your nose? Your ears? Your mouth? Mouth. Your teeth? Your tongue? Where is your chin? Chin. Where is your neck? Neck. Where is your elbow? Where is your hands? Yay! Clap. Mag-count ka nga, Che. 9, 10. Ulit. 1, 2. Count ka, Che. Bulaklak. Galing naman. Clap for Sachi. Yay! Ibon. Ibon. Hoy, ibon. What? Ano English ng ibon? Ibon? Bird. Ano English ng ibon? Bird. Hello, dog. Hello, cat. Hello, pig. Hello, elephant. Hello, tiger. Hello, bear. Hello, goat. Hello, cow. Cow. Yay! Clap, Sachi.